Hey, you are on weight loss journey. You often wonder that what to eat and what to avoid. In your weight loss journey, green tea is the one of the best option. You know that green tea is good for you because of all its antioxidants, but the combo of caffeine and the free radical fighting catechine EGCG in green tea may help people lose weight, according to a meta-analysis of 11 studies published in the International Journal of Obesity in 2009. While more recent analyses are mixed and suggest that any weight loss resulting from green tea would be minimal, anyone who wants to shed some pounds knows that every little bit counts. If you're looking for a cool alternative to straight-up green tea, try this creamy low-carb green tea smoothie made with matcha from Better by Design Nutrition. Today we'll learn how to make green tea smoothie. It is very tasty and also great for weight loss. Okay, at first we will find out what ingredients it will take. 1 teaspoon matcha green tea powder, 1 teaspoon equals 2 gm. 12 cubes ice, crushed. 1/2 cup 125 milliliters coconut milk. Half a teaspoon Ceylon Middle Eastern date syrup will add an additional 3.5 grams carbs to the recipe. It's optional. At first, place 1 teaspoon matcha powder in a small stainless steel sieve and gently press through the sieve into a small bowl with the back of a small spoon. Put the sieved matcha powder into a ceramic or glass bowl, not metal, as the tannins in the tea will react and give the beverage an off-metallic taste. With a bamboo whisk, available at Japanese and Korean grocery stores, or a plain spoon, whisk 3 tablespoons boiled and cooled water into the matcha powder, until all the lumps are gone and the mixture is smooth. Place a whole tray of ice cubes into a blender. Pour matcha and water mixture over ice in the glass. Pour coconut milk on top of ice and matcha pulse until desired texture is achieved. Blend mine just fine enough to be able to drink it through a straw and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share this video. To find many more health-related videos, subscribe our channel Natural Home Remedies now.